you tired of a counter full of hair tools? Meet the Ufree 5-in-1 Curling Iron Set. This isn't just a curling iron, it's your complete hairstyling solution. This amazing set includes 5 interchangeable barrels. Get everything from tight curls to loose waves with 4 different curling wands. Plus, it comes with a flat iron for sleek, straight styles. Switching barrels is super easy with the quick installation design. No more fumbling around. It even includes a heat-resistant glove and clips for safe, convenient styling. Need to style in a flash? The Ufree heats up in just 30 seconds. With 2 temperature settings, 350 and 410 degree Fahrenheit, it's perfect for all hair types, from delicate to coarse. The ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution, giving you long-lasting curls without damage. Say hello to salon-quality results right at home. With a fantastic 4.5-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, customers love this set. They praise its fast heat-up, ease of use, and incredible versatility. It's truly great value for money. Ready to simplify your routine and achieve any hairstyle? The Ufree 5-in-1 set is a game-changer for budget shoppers and home users alike. Click the link in description to grab yours on Amazon today and elevate your hair game.